dirty. It's my second time to take the bullet train in France, but I hope this is going to be a great experience. We're going on board now. Okay, we're getting onto the train.
Okay, so
They have two floors. The train has two levels. This is the top level and the toilet. And it looks the same as downstairs. At the train. Oops, my hair. Oris. Inside the train. Nice seats in the train. Beautiful. 坐法国高铁去法国南部。Nice. This is the dining car in the train. It's a small place, but very unique. There's a little store selling some food.